Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. Nah, I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my Snuggie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the freaking man. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Tomorrow I'll wake up, do some P90X, meet a really nice girl, have some really nice sex, and she's gonna scream out, "This is great."
Oh my god, this is great.
Yeah, I might mess around and get my college degree. I bet my old man will be so proud of me. Well, sorry, Pops, you'll just have to wait. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing.
I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be a good friend. I can love you until the end. What took you so long to make me see how lucky I am? 'Cause I am free, free to do the things I wanna do. What took you so long to make me feel I can give love, a love so real? What took you so long to let me know that I can live, I can love, I can...
Happy birthday, Mami Ton! Love you! Mwawa! Chup chup! Mami Tonton, happy birthday! I love you! Happy birthday, Kuya! I love it! Happy birthday, Mami Tonton! Love you! Miss you!
Happy birthday, Kuya! Love you!
Sarah G. I love you. Tonton,
Wala pa.
birthday.
Yan na ba?
Miss na.
Basta ka gagawin.
Lata. Love kita kahit minsan sinisigawan mo ko kahit ano bang mangyari. Lalo ka rin kita kahit sinasunod mo na ano, pero okay lang. Love you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya ang birthday mo at sana ay magbagong buhay ka. Maging masaya tayong lahat. Kinakagalitan kita, mahal kita, alam mo naman ang karma ko sa akin. Sana ay tuloy-tuloy ang pagtitinda mo ng barbecue, maging masaya tayong lahat. sa'yo nga, happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita, anak. Nagtanong ka sa akin at isa kang lalaki. Pag mainit ang ulo ko, pabayaan mo lang ako. Maalis din to. Kaya nakita mo naman ako, minsan kita kasi mangot. Wala yun. Mana nga yun.
Sana ay malaman na ako'y nandito lamang. Kung iyong kailangan, balikat na sa sandalan. Sana ay iyong isipin, sukat ng damdamin. Kahit ito'y malalim, ay makakayanan rin. Makakaya mo, kaibigan ko. Kalakip mo ang mga dalangin ko, mga pangarap mo, ay pangarap ko. At kahit na anong mangyari, narito para sa'yo, nakasama mo at karamay mo. Habang buhay mong kaibigan, pangako ko sa iyo. Tayo may magkalapit, tayo may magkalayo. Isang tawag mo lamang, magdarating ako. Pangako ko, kaibigan, hindi ka mag-iisa. Tulad din ng iyong pagdamay kapag kailangan ka. Marating sana mga pangarap mo, kaligayahan mo'y kaligayahan ko. Mga pangarap mo ay pangarap ko. At kahit na anong mangyari, narito para sa'yo, nakasama mo at karamay mo. Habang buhay mong kaibigan, pangako ko sa iyo. Mga pangarap mo ay pangarap ko. At kahit na anong mangyari, narito para sa'yo, nakasama mo at karamay mo. Habang buhay mong kaibigan, pangako ko sa
Happy birthday, love you. Ano? Tapos ano ka? Sabihin ko.
Kahit ano.
Sana magiging matagal pa yung pagka-friendship natin. Ganun, tama ba yun? Sabi ko. Hindi, ano, na. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi! Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Many more birthday and good health. Sana magiging mo bang pagtinda mo ng barbecue para maraming bumili. At sana malasing mo kami sa birthday mo. At ano pa ba? Ala, ikaw naman.
Hi, Kuya Tonton! Happy birthday! Akala namin dati, suplada ka, yung pala mabait ka. At saka huwag ka lang nakasimangot. Minsan naman, lumabas ka pag umaga, para fresh. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Okay. Happy birthday! Namiss na kita. Bakit hindi ka pumunta? Dapat nandito ka ngayon. And, ano ba, wish ko sana tumaba ka pa. Sana sa next game kasama ka na ni Ate Angkol. Dalawa kasi sa bet. Saka magpa-schedule ka na. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Happy 31st birthday! Take care always. Don't change. Stay happy. Love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Pa-barbecue ka naman!
Happy birthday, Anton! Wish you all the best! All the luck in the world!
Pa-barbecue ka naman!
Mataba ka naman.
Magpataba ka naman! Happy birthday!